Before we continue, tell me a little about yourself.
I'm a front-end enthusiast, a React lover, and I believe debugging is my cardio. I've been learning by building small projects, and my dream is to make user interfaces so smooth that users forget there's code behind them.
I like the cardio part. All right, what's the purpose of React strict mode?
It's like a teacher in strict mode. It checks for potential problems in development, like unsafe life cycles, deprecated APIs, and side effects.
And does it affect production?
No, it disappears in production builds. It's purely a development helper.
Gotcha. Have you used error boundaries?
Yes, to catch JavaScript errors in components and show a fallback UI instead of crashing the whole app.
Can they catch errors in event handlers?
No, event handlers need their own try-catch.
Good. You didn't fall into the trap. How does React handle form validation?
We can do it manually in controlled components or use libraries like Formic, React Hook Form, or UP for easier validation.
And which one do you prefer?
React Hook Form, less boilerplate, more speed.
Fair choice. What are React portals used for?
For rendering components outside the root DOM hierarchy, like modals, tooltips, or pop-ups.
And why not just use CSS Z-index?
Because Z-index can't escape the parent's overflow or stacking context, portals can.
That's the answer I wanted. What's the difference between useReducer and useState?
useState is for simple state updates. useReducer is for complex state logic where actions define how state changes.
So basically, useState is a snack, useReducer is a buffet?
Exactly, with a waiter handing you the right dish.
How do you handle performance issues caused by large lists in React?
Virtualization with libraries like React Window or React Virtualized to only render visible items.
And what's the downside?
More complex layout handling and potential scroll jump issues if not managed well.
Good. You see both sides. How does useImperative work?
It lets you customize the instance value that's exposed when using ref with forward ref components.
Example use case, please.
Like exposing a focus method from a custom input component.
Not bad for a tricky one. What's the difference between React Lazy and dynamic import in JavaScript?
React Lazy is specifically for lazy loading components with suspense. Dynamic import can load any JS module, not just components.
Can I use React.lazy for non-React code?
No, it's strictly for components. For others, use dynamic import directly.
Do you know about hydration in React?
Yes, it's the process where React attaches event listeners to server-rendered HTML during SSR, so it becomes interactive.
And what happens if the DOM from the server doesn't match the client render?
React warns and re-renders the mismatched parts.
Good. Not everyone remembers that. Okay, last one. What's one advanced React feature or pattern you want to explore more deeply?
Suspense for data fetching. Using it not just for lazy loaded components, but also to coordinate async operations for a smoother user experience.
And why is that exciting for you?
Because it simplifies loading states, avoids unnecessary spinners everywhere, and can make the UI feel instant without complex state juggling.
Good. That's a solid answer. All right. That's all from my side. Any questions for me?
No, ma'am. I'm just curious how I did.
You have a good grasp of fundamentals, and you stay calm under pressure, which is rare. You need to strengthen some advanced concepts, but your explanations are clear and your analogies make answers memorable. Keep building projects and read the official docs regularly.
Thank you, ma'am. That means a lot.